Dear student, today consider another problem of conformal transformation. So this is the bilinear transformation. Show that the transformation W equal to 5 minus 4z by 4z minus 2 transform the circle mod z equal to 1 into a circle of radius unity in W plane and find the center of the circle. So this is our W equal to in terms of z given and also given mod z equal to 1. In this mod z equal to 1, we get a circle, equation of circle in this mod z equal to 1, equation of a circle, and that circle whose radius is 1. And center, what is the center of the circle? Now you have to find radius, you have to show radius is 1 and what is the center. Now solution is start. This is very easy problem. This is very easy. Here W equal to given 5 minus 4z by 4z minus 2. So here mod z equal to 1 given. So we express in terms of W. This is W into 4z minus 2 equal to 5 minus 4z. And 4wz minus 2w equal to 5 minus 4z, and this will be 4wz, this one taking left hand side 4z, 5 plus 2w, this one taking right hand side. So this will be taking z common, then we get 4w plus 4 z common equal to 2w plus 5. Then z equal to 2w plus 5 by 4w plus 4. We get this one. Z equal to in terms of w we get. So this is z equal to 2w plus 5 by 4w plus 4. But in our problem, modulus of z given, so we are taking both sides mod. So this implies, we write down here, mod z equal to mod 2w plus 5 by 4w plus 4. This one. And the mod z is given 1. So putting 1 equal to, we separate this 2w plus 5 by 4w plus 4. We separate the modulus. Now this one multiplying left hand side, 4w plus 4 equal to 2w plus 5. But we know w equal to u plus iv. In w plane, w equal to u plus iv. So we replacing w and putting u plus iv. 4 into u plus iv plus 4. This equal to 2 into u plus iv. 2 into u plus iv plus 5. So this equal to, this implies 4u plus 4vi plus 4. This is twice u plus twice vi plus 5. Just multiplying this 4u plus 4vi plus 4, then 2v plus 2v, 2u plus 2vi. So we separate the real and imaginary parts, 4u plus 4 plus 4vi. This and this real, write down together, this is imaginary. And here also we write twice u plus 5, this is real, and 2vi is imaginary. Again you know in complex number modulus of a plus ib, if we remove the modulus, then this will be a square plus b square, a square plus b square. And if we taking square on both sides, then this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So we write down square on both sides, 4u plus 4 plus 4vi. This is squaring both sides, twice u plus 5 plus 2vi. This is squaring both sides, we get this. So we are using this formula, u plus a plus ib equal to, that is a square plus b square. Using this formula, real square, this imaginary square. So this will be root over cancel, 4u plus 4 square plus 4v whole square equal to twice u plus 5 whole square plus twice v whole square. We get this one. Now this is a plus b whole square. This is our first formula in our life. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus twice ab plus b square. We know this formula. So this is 16v square. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus 4v square. We get this one. So this will be 16u square. This is 16, then 32u. This is 16v square. This is 4u square plus this is 20u plus 25 plus 4v square. We get this one. Now this implies all of this taking in left hand side, 16u square plus 16v square plus 32u plus 16 minus 4u square minus 20u minus 25 minus 4v square equal to 0. So 16 minus 4, this is 12u square, and 16v square minus 4v square, 12v square, and 32 minus 20, this is 12, this is 12u, and 16 minus 25, this is 9 equal to 0. So we dividing both sides by 12. U square plus v square plus u minus 9 by 12, this equal to 0. So this implies u square plus v square, this is plus u minus 3 by 4 equal to 0. This is number 1 you consider. So this is in terms of uv, this is the equation, this is the equation of circle in W plane. W plane means it contains u and v. Now we want to find the radius is unity and center. So first we have to find center. So in center we know a shortcut formula. Center means first we have to find center. For center we know the shortcut formula, minus half into coefficient of u, minus half coefficient of v. So this is minus half coefficient of u. Here coefficient of u is 1. Coefficient of u is 1 minus half coefficient of v. Coefficient of v. V is absent. So v absent means we write 0. So this equal to this is 1. This is minus half comma 0. This is the center of the circle. Now radius equal to root over minus half coefficient of u whole square plus minus half coefficient of v whole square minus constant term. Constant. So this will be, and coefficient of minus half, coefficient of this means minus half, we get this half minus half whole square. This is 0 whole square. Constant. Constant means minus 3 by 4. So this will be minus 3 by 4. So this is 1 by 4, 3 by 4. This is 4 by 4. This one 1 we get. So radius we get 1 and center we get this. Now what we get? Radius we get 1 and center we get this. This is a problem. Show that transform to the circle this into a circle of radius unity. unity means 1. We get radius 1 and center, and find the center. Center is this. Hence the radius is unity and center of the circle is minus half, 0 in W plane. This is W plane means our equation in terms of U and V. UV means these are lies in W plane. So this is hence the radius is unity and center of the circle is minus half, 0 in W plane. So dear student, this solution is clear. If this solution is clear, then subscribe this video and like this video, and if it is difficult, then write in comment box. Thanks.